Whether you're a beginning gardener or a pro, these easy-care colorful perennials are some of the best to include in your garden. These 15 perennials adds continuous blooms from late spring through end of summer season to brighten up your garden. Catmint, scientifically known as nepeta, is a versatile and attractive perennial plant that adds beauty and fragrance to the garden, while also attracting beneficial pollinators. Catmint typically grows in mounds of soft, gray-green foliage, with spikes of small tubular flowers, that can range in color from lavender blue to white, depending on the variety. It is drought-tolerant and relatively low-maintenance perennial to add wonderful colors, from spring season to fall. Salvia, also known as meadow sage, is one of the gardener's favorite perennial for its continuous blooms and amazing colors. Salvia produces upright spikes of small, tubular flowers in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the cultivar. With its long-lasting blooms and easygoing nature, it's a popular choice for gardeners looking to create beautiful and sustainable landscapes. Phlox paniculata, commonly known as garden phlox, valued for its abundant and colorful blooms. Phlox paniculata typically grows in clumps, features lance-shaped leaves, and flowers form dense clusters at the top of the stems. Colors range from white to shades of pink, purple, and red, with some varieties featuring bicolored or striped petals. Coreopsis, commonly known as tickseed, is a low-maintenance perennial plant, known for its daisy-like flowers and airy foliage. The flowers are daisy-like with a prominent central disc, comes in shades of yellow and orange, depending on the species and cultivar. This long-blooming perennial blooms profusely from late spring to fall, adding vibrant color to the garden. Verbena Endurascape. It is a standout variety of verbena, known for its exceptional heat tolerance and long-lasting blooms, that comes in shades of purple, pink, red and white. Lasting color, dense branching, and excellent powdery mildew resistance features of it makes this perennial as a best choice for rock gardens and easy-to-neglected areas. Speedwells. Also called Veronica speedwell, an amazing perennial plant, valued for their attractive flowers and low-maintenance nature. Speedwells typically feature spikes, or clusters of small tubular flowers, that bloom in shades of blue, purple, pink, or white, depending on the cultivar. Speedwell perennial adds continuous blooms, starting from late spring to end of the summer season. Evening Primrose. A low-maintenance perennial, that bring amazing color display of flowers from spring to early summer season. Be mindful, as they can sometimes spread vigorously through self-seeding. Evening Primrose works perfect for sun-exposed, wide-open landscaping areas as a mass planting full display, and even for rock gardens. It is a striking Native American wildflower, that comes with 4 pink petals and yellow centers. Black-eyed Susan, scientifically known as Rudbeckia, valued for its long-blooming daisy-like flowers, in rich tones of gold, bronze, and brown. Black-eyed Susan plants typically feature bright yellow or orange-yellow, daisy-like flowers with dark brown or black centers, which give them their distinctive appearance. It is a low-maintenance perennial, with habit of long-blooming flowers, a perfect companion perennial for most garden plants. If you are looking for low-maintenance ground-covering perennial plants, perennial Lantana is the one of the best option. Lantanas typically have dense clusters of small tubular flowers, in a wide range of colors, including shades of yellow, orange, red, pink, and purple. Lantanas are relatively low maintenance, they thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, but can tolerate a variety of soil conditions. Blanket flowers are easy-to-grow perennials that thrive in full sun and well-drained soil, with wonderful display of flowers starting from late spring to all summer. Blanket flowers are known for their vibrant, daisy-like flowers that come in a range of colors, including shades of yellow, orange, red, and burgundy. The flowers are often bicolored, or have contrasting bands of color, giving them a striking appearance. Blazing star, scientifically known as liatris, one of the unique style perennial plant that adds color, texture, and pollinator-friendly benefits to the garden. It is very versatile perennial, produce tall slender spikes feathery flowers that bloom from top to bottom in shades of purple and pink, giving the plant a unique and eye-catching appearance. This is good choice for corner spots of the front yard areas if you are looking for tall perennial plant with wonderful flowers. Lavender is a lovely perennial plant, appreciated for its unique flowers and aromatic foliage. Lavender features narrow aromatic leaves that are gray-green in color, providing year-round interest. It produces attractive spikes of small fragrant flowers in shades of purple, blue and pink. It is a drought-tolerant plant, a perfect choice for containers as well as front yard garden to add texture and color. Red-hot poker, also known as torch lily or poker plant, is a versatile perennial plant, known for its tall, torch-like flower spikes and vibrant colors. These flowers typically comes in shades of red, orange, and yellow. Its grass-like foliage and tall flowers makes it ideal for gardens to add natural free-flow landscaping style. Dahlias are amazing perennial plants, prized for their brilliant, diverse blooms and make a bold statement in gardens. Dahlias offers an incredible range of flower shapes, sizes, and vivid colors that brighten any garden, from late spring to end of the fall season, providing months of continuous color. Dahlias are suitable for borders, containers, backdrops, and even compact gardens. Daylily, known as going bananas, is a cultivar of daylily, low-maintenance perennial plant, known for its striking yellow flowers. This daylily cultivar typically blooms starting from late spring all the way to end of summer season, producing a profusion of flowers over several weeks. Like other daylilies, going bananas prefers full sun to partial shade, and it is very drought-tolerant and adaptable to most soil conditions. I hope you feel the content of this video is informative. Please do not forget to drop a like to this video for channel encouragement.